Hi, this is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injury cases throughout the nation. I've been doing a series on birth injuries, and I now have the sixth part of this series, cerebral palsy from birth injuries. I now want to discuss understanding cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy results from damage to the developing brain, often are due to events around the time of birth. It can be caused by h.i.e., which we've covered in an earlier section, but is the lack of oxygen, as we discussed, by Kernicterus severe jaundice, by strokes or bleeding in the brain, or by infections or other issues. Sometimes the exact cause isn't known. Cerebral palsy primarily affects motor function, muscle control, tone, coordination, and reflexes. Depending on the location and the extent of brain injury, CP can present in different forms. The most common type is spastic cerebral palsy, where muscles are stiff and movements are difficult. This accounts for about 75 to 85% of CP cases. Others include dyskinetic CP, which is uncontrolled movements. Some children have a mixed CP. The severity of this varies widely. One child with CP might only have a mild limp and might otherwise be indistinguishable from peers, while another might be unable to walk and need assistance with daily activities. There are associated issues that can include seizures, learning disabilities, visual or hearing impairments, and difficulties with feeding or speech. Though not every child has all or even any of these, cerebral palsy really is a spectrum. Now, some of the statistics. Cerebral palsy is the most common motor disability in children. In the United States, about 1 in 345 children has been identified with cerebral palsy, which equates to roughly 2 to 3 cases per 1,000 live births. Around the world, rates are similar in developed countries and higher in areas with less access to modern medical care and newborn care. It's estimated that over 17 million people worldwide have CP. Importantly, with improvements in the NICU care, more infants who survive events like severe h.i.e. might still develop CP, but often with less severe outcomes than in decades of the past. In terms of causes, experts report that birth injuries or asphyxia are involved in up to 20 to 30% of CP cases. The rest may be due to prematurity or genetic factors. So when CP is linked to birth injury, it's a significant subset, but not the only cause of it. If you have a child that has a birth injury that caused cerebral palsy, I'm happy to go over the details with you and review the records. We can sit down and determine if there's a viable claim. If there is, we will come up with a detailed strategy to bring the suit and hopefully obtain the compensation that you deserve, and you can help set up care for your child in the future. If you'd like to do that consult, you can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.